Happy Bharat, Happy World, Rich Bharat, Rich World. I'm Kavyashree, working in Kapila Maharshi Numerology Office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach, and also yoga guru, about a new project that is BBG Ventures. Hello, sir. How are you?
Happy morning, great morning, rich morning. Happy Bharat, rich Bharat, rich Bharat. Welcome, grand welcome. Please like and share and activate bell icon and subscribe my channel and forward this video near and dear.
Yes.
This is the most important video for your life.
Yes, sir.
I'm always fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So today we are going to explain the projects of BBG.
First of all, congratulations, sir. You have booked the plot.
Yeah, thank you.
Please bless us that we all also should book a plot in
tadasu.
this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Also everyone.
Yes.
So most important, food and shelter and cloth.
Yes, everyone must and should have.
Every human being have a needs.
Yes, these
primary
are essential.
needs.
Yes, essential for everyone.
For everyone, food and shelter and clothes.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Sir.
So everybody, you can get this all the golden opportunity for you.
Yes,
okay?
but actually in Hyderabad the prices are very, very high.
Yes.
And some people are unable to take plots.
Yes.
So now please explain about the plots availability in BBG also. So is there installment also, whether it is available or not?
Definitely.
And the prices also, please explain us, sir.
So please don't skip the video because I'm not fluent in English, but I can explain the every
all the
moment.
ventures, yes, sir.
Because you can take the information.
Yes.
Not my language. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Every day you can take the magic bottle and drink the magic water.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So simply you can manifest your desire, your wishes. So always I am taking this magic water every 1 hour. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simply and fastly and happily, I got in my lucky account 1,59,36,999 in every day in my account.
In your lucky account.
Thank you universe, thank you numbers, thank you so much, and thank you so much magic bottle also.
Yes, sir.
After this affirmation, and you can drink the water.
Okay.
You can also practice this magic bottle technique and use the lucky stickers.
Yes, if you also want to become lucky like us, like sir, so you also can collect these stickers from our office. The price is only 1,000 rupees for if you are coming directly, and the courier service also is available. The price is only 1,600 for courier service. Please collect the stickers, and for more information, check out the video for lucky stickers. Baba Pandurangam, Telugu, Hindi, and English also is available.
Very nice.
Thank you all.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes, sir. Now let us.
So today we are going to this the BBG Building Block Group. In India, it is located, head office is Hyderabad. Okay. So this is the, I think 18 years experience in a real estate field, and this is the 100% transparent company.
Okay, sir.
Everybody thinking real estate is fraud,
some fraud,
cheating.
Maybe cheating. Yes.
No, this is a crystal clear.
Okay.
It's a very, very neat and clean company. Okay.
Okay. Greenery also is available.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
And today we are going to explain what is the location, and this is the regional ring road Hyderabad latest update.
Okay, sir.
This one circle is a red circle. This is the outer ring road.
Okay, outer ring road.
This is middle of Charminar. This is the Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
And this Hyderabad, here is Hyderabad, one square yard, it is near above 1 lakh above.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In some places are very costly.
Here also, Champapet and Santosh also.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh above 1 square.
Yes, sir.
And after this, between the red and blue, here also 60, 40, 90,000.
Yes, sir.
And now proposal and invite the Honorable Prime Minister Bharat, Sri Narendra Modi sir, whenever will came to opening the
regional ring road inauguration.
So the land value is like a skyrockets.
Yes, it will be increased more.
Increasing.
Yes, the price will increase.
Now it is available.
Okay.
It is starting price to 12,000 to and 26,000.
Okay, per square yard. Okay, sir.
Per square yard.
Yes.
You can very bless, and this is the luckiest golden opportunity.
Yes, why? Because only 12,000 to 25,000 only is available.
12,000 to 25,000
per square yard.
And it is a bank loan availability be.
Okay, facility also is available. Bank
Yes,
loans.
this is the
If they can't go for spot payments, bank
Star
loan.
projects.
Yes, sir. We'll check out.
star projects and the more project.
projects.
Okay, and star project, Hyderabad and Shadnagar.
Shadnagar plots. We'll
Because Shadnagar is the fast growing area.
Okay.
Because near international airport. This is the only reason.
Okay.
Shadnagar is the booming area.
Yes.
Growing, fast growing. This is the logo, bank loan availability.
Available. Okay.
The highway
Orchards.
archers availability.
Okay.
And
Ramki Bliss
also availability.
Okay.
So, and this first project,
Okay, let us see about this project.
yes,
Ramki Bliss.
available
Plots.
Plots 92
are there.
total plots
110.
already booked.
Booked are 18 booked.
Already booked.
Yes.
And mortgage plot is
21.
now not sell this plot.
Yes, sir.
After the development, the bank announced these plots. Okay, these very costly plots. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
And available plots are 92.
92 only.
Already booked 18.
18 are booked.
Okay. And this payment option.
Okay, we'll check out.
Yes. Now option A, 100% spot payment
Okay.
for square yard 22,999.
Okay, then 23,000 per square yard.
23,000.
Okay.
But yesterday, last Sunday, one director told to me,
Okay.
this is the Ramki Bliss one advantage, 5,000 rupees less
Okay.
for one square yard.
Okay, they are giving discount,
Discount.
for Ramki Bliss.
Actually,
Actual price is 25,000.
25,000.
25,000.
24,900, 25,000.
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is the option B, 50% advance, 50% within
Within
1
a
month.
month we have to pay.
So this is the golden opportunity, Ramki Bliss.
Okay, 5,000 less they are giving
Rajapur, Shadnagar, South Hyderabad. This
Okay.
is the main road.
for. Okay, sir.
This is the main road, highway, National Highway 44.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the
Project development.
project.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, it's here, sir.
This is the project.
Project development. Yes, sir.
See, this is the project. Yes.
Okay.
This is the main
entrance of Ramki Bliss.
Ramki Bliss. Unlock your dream plot.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the water tank, electricity. This is the under drainage system.
Okay.
This
Work
is
is
the project.
okay. Construction project.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This
Fine.
is the entrance.
Main entrance also is
Okay.
available. Okay, then. Next
And
one.
this is the
Project
location
look.
highlights.
Okay, location.
Aviation station.
Yes, sir.
This is the Amazon data,
Data
center.
center.
And this is the city of Hyderabad.
Okay.
And this is the
Aviation
international
center.
airport. And this is the meditation center.
Okay.
And this Samata Murthy.
Statue of Unity.
Yes. This is the
MMTS.
MMTS and railway station Burgula.
Station. Okay, sir.
So this is the
Roadways.
scene after the completion.
Yes, in future
the-
coming years.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Right.
Okay.
So this one very golden opportunity. This is the 24/7 security, 100% vastu, design street line, and
Exclusive guarded community.
and park and gardens, open space,
Okay,
and rainwater harvesting, and residential community,
Underground
drainage system, and underground water supply,
Okay.
and wide space block top roads,
Okay.
and Muda approved. Muda means Mahbub Nagar Urban Development Authority.
Okay.
Muda approved means Mahbub Nagar Urban Development Approved
Okay.
Authority. Okay, this is the Ramki Bliss.
Okay.
And this is the golden opportunity.
They can
This
go for
project
loans also is available.
bank loan.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Loans also is available. We'll go for next venture now.
Yes, definitely.
Our projects. Yes. Yes.
Our projects. Star project.
Okay. Next one is
More projects. And star projects. Hyderabad and
Shad Nagar.
And next one is
The highway
this is
orchards.
the highway. This is the
Bank loans available. Here also bank loans are available.
This is the bank loan available. And
Okay.
payment.
Payment
Plots are
206 plots are total.
already
plots.
registered. Plots
113 are registered.
already completed.
Yes.
Booked plots 34. And
Only
available
44 only are available.
44
Available plots are
already
there.
34 booked.
Booked plots.
So you have already
Only 44 plots.
44 plots.
Yes, sir.
And payment.
Yes, we'll go for payment option.
Yeah.
25,000.
24,999 per square yard.
Yes,
This is the option A, 100% spot payment.
Okay.
And option B, 50% advance, 50% within a month.
Okay.
25,699
Okay.
per square yard.
Per
And
square yard.
option B
Next is 26,500.
for 3 months.
3 months. That is per square yard again.
3 months. And you have the bank loan.
Yes, loan
Yeah.
facility also is available.
So 2 projects have bank loan.
Yes, sir.
So don't worry about hurry up. These have the golden opportunity, and it is a very and project development. You can see project development.
Yes, sir.
This is the beside the National Highway 44.
Okay.
Just beside.
Okay.
This is the project. Beside the. This is the entrance.
Main entrance of that.
2024 September 20 picture 10 a.m.
Okay, sir.
These are all the mango trees.
Yes, sir.
These are all the mango trees. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And this is the highway orchards.
Highway orchards.
And next project. This is the bank loan projects. Already 2 projects.
Yes, we have seen no fruit.
So
Next star project we'll go for more projects.
star project Hyderabad and Shad Nagar.
Yes.
Next one is
The Emerald Burglar.
Burgula.
Yes, Emerald. The next one is at Shad Nagar. Okay.
Open. No bank loan.
Okay. This is at a time no bank loans.
Payment option.
Payment option is
15,000.
okay. The price
Yeah,
also is less, sir. Yeah.
15,000
500. 499. That is 500.
and 15,999
Okay. Per square yard.
per square yard.
And this is 16,499.
Yes.
That is 3 months option is
3
given.
months. True emerald.
Burgula.
Burgula.
Shad Nagar.
This is the emerald in Lucky Stone.
Yes, sir.
Emerald Shad Nagar. Okay.
Okay.
Availability.
Yes.
Total plots are
473 plots.
And registered plots already
263 already registered.
available.
Only
93
93 are available
Okay.
in Emerald.
If you want any information, please contact my number.
Okay.
Already BBG have 245 projects.
Okay.
So I can say every project, but time length is very short. Already this is 20 minutes or 15 minutes. I don't know.
Yes.
So you can want to purchase any plot near to international airport in Hyderabad. Hurry up. So now rates are average.
Yes.
Is coming soon. After the inauguration of the R, the rates will be like a skyrocket.
Yes.
Okay?
The price will be high. Increased so much. Yes.
Increasing. This is the now price is 20 lakhs. Is coming soon. Is 1 year also.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. That is the reason I purchased earlier
sir.
last Sunday.
Okay, last Sunday only.
So
you have
you can
booked.
also decide. So 1 minute your decision is change your life,
Yes.
and not only your life, your children's life is very security.
Yes, coming generations also
Yes.
life will be secure.
So because population every day is increasing, population is growing, but land is same.
Yes, land value is increasing, but land is not
Land
increasing.
value is increasing.
But land
is,
will not.
Yes. Land is less.
Yes,
Okay?
that's why hurry up, and if you want more details, please call us to the number which is given on the screen. The office timings are 10 to 5 o'clock only. So either call or please send your message in WhatsApp also.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you all.
Happy Bharat. Happy Bharat. Thank you.